Hey everybody, it's Steve. AAA Trucks, Monroe, Georgia. Oh, look at that sunshine. Glorious. Right here we got is a 2021 Freightliner. It's a Cascadia 116. Stock number is MU 4540. Again, this is a big sleeper. Let me get inside this thing because I was very impressed with the condition of the interior. We got several of these trucks in stock, and I'm telling you, they all look really nice on the inside. Smells nice and clean. We'll get you a fresh mattress. We got those in the back. This one has 513,000 miles. Oh, make sure I don't fall. Real clean on the back. Sunshine is doing it well today. Tires look good. Sliding fifth wheel. I said on several videos before, we got all colors of white. So come on down to AAA Trucks, Monroe, Georgia. Oh, I forgot to mention, this has got a this is a DD13 Detroit, 450 horsepower. That's important. So come on down, we'll get you rolling.